Introducing the all-new 2024 Volkswagen Golf Life 2.0 TDI 115HP in sleek grey. This estate beauty is loaded with features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and more for your comfort and convenience. Safety is a priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. The interior boasts luxury trim, while the spoiler adds a touch of style. With a powertrain warranty and full health and safety check, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information today.